Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Mickey Maths Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Come along, we have an interesting topic: simplification of fractions. To simplify means to break down things to the simplest form, and a fraction is a number in the form a over b. This is an example of a fraction. So for us to simplify, the first thing we do is to take the LCM, get the LCM of the denominator, and we get the LCM by multiplying these two for this fraction. So our 2 over x minus 1 minus 3 over x minus 2. The LCM of this is the multiplication of these two. So that's, you rule a big line. You have our x minus 1, x minus 2. Now, from here, we use what is here. We divide this by this, the denominator here by this. So x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 1. These two will cancel out each other. So it becomes 2 into bracket x minus 2. Or what you do is you multiply 1, 2 by this first fraction. When you are multiplying it, x minus 1 will cancel out x minus 1. We are left with 2 into bracket x minus 2. The same thing for this other fraction. That's 3 into bracket. When you multiply this denominator by this fraction, the x minus 2 will cancel this x minus 2. So you are left with x minus 1. So we are pretty much done. We expand the bracket. So this is 2 times x. That's 2x. 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4. We are done with this. Now we have negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 1, that's positive 3 over x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, from here, we can collect like terms. 2x minus 3x, that will give us negative x. So this is negative x. Negative 4 plus 3, that will give us negative 1 over x minus 1 into bracket x minus 2. So for us to put it well, factor out negative x and negative 1. What is common? That's negative 1. So this becomes negative 1 into bracket x minus 1. Sorry, x plus 1 over x minus 1 x minus 2. So this is our final answer. You bring out our negative here, x plus 1, because negative 1 times 1, positive 1 will give us negative 1. We leave our answer like that. All right, let's look at this question. It says simplify 3 minus 2 over x minus 3 plus 1 over x minus 3 all squared. Okay, so the first thing, we look for the LCM. The LCM is x minus 3 all squared. So from here, this is 3 over 1. So we'll rule our line, put our LCM here, x minus 3 all squared. So this is like 3 over 1. So 1 in this is x minus 3 all squared. So times 3, so that's 3 into bracket x minus 3 all square minus x minus 3 in this. One of them will cancel out. We are left with x minus 3. So that becomes 2 into bracket x minus 3. Now, you know, x minus 3 squared means x minus 3 times x minus 3. So one of these x minus 3 will cancel out. Now, plus x minus 3 squared in this, it goes off. That's 1. So we have 1 times 1. So from there, let's expand. This becomes 3 into bracket x minus 3 all square. Look at the corner of your notes. Let's do that. Minus 3 all square. X times x, that's x squared. X times negative 3, that's negative 3x. Negative 3 times x, that's negative 3x. And negative 3 times negative 3, that's positive 9. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we put it here. So this becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus, let's expand this, negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6, plus 1 times 1 is 1 over, don't forget, our x minus 3 all squared. So from here, let's expand. This becomes 3x squared minus 3 times 6x, that's 18x, minus 18x plus 9 times 3, that's 27, minus 2x minus negative 6 plus 1, that will give us negative 5. Negative 5. Of course, from here we still have our hold on, sorry, this is negative 2 times negative 3, that's positive 6. Positive 6. So this will give us positive 7. Positive 7. Take note, negative 2 times x, that's negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3, that's positive 6. Minus times minus is positive. Okay, so this is x minus 3 all squared. So from here, let's collect like terms. This and this, negative 18x minus 2x will give us negative 20. So this becomes 3x squared minus 20x. This plus this, 27 plus 7, that's 34, plus 34 over x minus 3 all squared. So we have ended up simplifying this fraction to give us 3x squared minus 20x plus 34 over x minus 3 all squared. All right, let's look at this question. It says simplify x over 3y minus x minus y over 3x plus 1. So the first thing we'll find is the LCM, and the LCM of this is the multiplication of these two, that's 3x into bracket 3y minus x, that's the LCM. So we rule our line. This is our LCM, that's 3x into bracket 3y minus x. So we use each of the fractions, we multiply the fraction by this LCM. So when we do that, 3y in this and this we cancel out, we are left with 3x. So 3x times x, that's x into bracket 3x minus, we do the same thing for the second fraction, 3x into this y over 3x times this 3x and this 3x goes off. So we have y into bracket 3y minus x, then plus, this is 1, this is like 1 over 1, the denominator there is 1. So 1 in this, we have 3x times 3y minus x. So let's expand the bracket. So 3x times x, that will give us 3x squared. Then negative y times this, that will give us 3y squared, negative 3y squared. Negative y and negative x will give us negative x y, positive xy, because this is negative and negative. Let's expand this in this, that's plus 3 times 3, that's 9xy. 3x times negative x, that's negative 3x squared. Okay, so we have ended up expanding the numerator over, don't forget we still have our denominator, 3x into bracket 3y minus x. So from here, let's collect like terms. 3x squared and 3x, negative 3x squared, we cancel out. Let's look at another thing we can simplify. We can simplify this. This will give us 10xy. So that's negative 3y squared plus 10xy over 3x into bracket 3y minus x. Now, what is common between these two terms? We have y being common. So we'll bring out y there. So this is equals to y into bracket, this is 10x 10x minus this in this will give us over 3y over 3x into bracket 3y minus x. So we have ended up factorizing it. So this times this will give us 10xy. This times this will give us negative 3y squared. So this is our final answer. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We looked at simplification of fractions, and we said that to simplify means to break them down to their smallest or simplest term. And a fraction is a number in the form a over b. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here some list of take-home fun that you can practice at your leisure time. The first one says simplify 5 over x minus 1 minus 6 over x minus 2. The second one says 2x over 3 into bracket x plus 1 minus 3x all over 2 into bracket x minus 2. The third one says 3 over 4 plus 5 over x plus 2. The fourth one says 2y over 3y plus 1 minus y plus 1 over 2y plus 3. The fifth one says 8 over 7x minus 9 over 6x plus 3 over 4x. The sixth one, a plus 3 over a minus 3 minus a minus 3 over a plus 3. And last but not the least, 5 over 5x plus 2 minus 2 over 9x minus 4. I hope you have enjoyed today's class and you have learned. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, give us a share, tell your friends about the Making Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Let me know the answers of this take-home fun in the comment section. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section and I'll be there to attend to you. If you are yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till we meet again in the next Mickey class. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.